In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a license key on Gumroad. If you've recently purchased or are selling digital products on Gumroad, knowing how to utilize and manage license keys is crucial for both security and customer satisfaction. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to handle these keys effectively. Now let's get started. First off, we need to head over to the Gumroad website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in gumroad.com. Once the page loads, you'll be welcomed by their home screen. This is where you can access all the great features Gumroad has to offer. But today our focus is on license keys, so let's proceed by logging in. To log in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you'll be able to access your account details. If you use Google to manage your accounts, you'll find it super convenient here. Gumroad provides you with the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google button and choose the account you'd like to use. A couple of clicks and you're in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your products. Look for the option labeled products on the top navigation bar and click on it to see a list of all the products you're managing or have purchased. Select the specific product you'd like to manage license keys for. This will take you to a more detailed view of that product, where you'll see several options to customize or manage your product content. Once you've selected the product, find the content tab and click on it. Inside the content section, we're going to focus specifically on inserting the license key, so click on Insert. You should now see an option labeled License Key. Click on it. This feature allows you to apply digital keys to protect your product content from unauthorized access. Implementing license keys is an excellent way to control distribution and provide your customers with a seamless experience. Finally, with the license key now generated, you'll see a copy button. Clicking on this button will allow you to copy the generated license key to your clipboard. From here you can distribute it as needed, like sending it to your customers once they've made a purchase. It's an incredibly efficient process and goes a long way in maintaining the integrity of your content. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use license keys on Gumroad. Remember, protecting your digital products with a license key ensures both you and your customers have a secure experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.